Today we're going for a drive to see Trollveggen, the troll wall, and Trollstigen, which means the troll way. It goes zigzag. We're hoping that it's open. We'll just wait and see.
We've come to a little place called Roma and we're just having a little Roma around. It's a cute little round church.
I think this is the start of Trollveggen, the troll wall.
Big mountains. What do you think of the view, Dad?
Epic.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Looks like the highest point is Trollveggen.
The troll's back.
1740 metres, which is going to be about 5,500 feet.
We're having lunch at Trollveggen.
Dan's having a cup of tea.
Cheers. We're gonna go up the valley and have a look what's there, and then come back again, and then go to Trollstigen.